Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to download a FreeCAD software. So in this video we are going to know about how to download a FreeCAD. So FreeCAD is an open source software which is available for everyone to download without any pricing. So first let's see how to download FreeCAD. Using FreeCAD we can create a parts uh, like solid parts or to like for 3D printing or to simulate, and we can create a simple parts and also a complicated parts. So first we'll see how to download it. In Google, enter FreeCAD. It will take you directly to this link. The first link, www.freecad.org. So click this link, and after clicking that link, it will redirect into this page. In this page, directly click download now. So here in this page, we have three uh, three different like three different things to download, like for three different OS for your system. Based on your system you can select whether, if your system, if you have Windows you can click this, and if you have Mac you can click this, and if you have Linux you can click this one, and based on 64-bit and based on your OS. So my system is 64-bit Windows 10, so I am clicking this 64-bit installer. So it will take some time to start download. If it is not start downloading after certain minutes, after 2 to 3 minutes, you can click here to download again. So here in my system it is downloading here. So this is the, it's downloading now. So using FreeCAD we can create many file extensions also. Like you can create an IGS file. You can first you can create a FreeCAD file, and later you can convert into IGS STL for 3D printing. So generally how we can create a CAD parts, any CAD parts. Now it's downloaded. Let's check how we can install this downloaded file. So go to downloads. You will have this installer. Click on this installer. It will appear one screen like this. Click yes on this. So here you will get this pop-up to install. So for installing you can continue. For continue installing you can click on next and check the license policies, and later you can give next and then install for anyone using this computer. So I am an admin for this computer, so select this one. It's already selected here. Click on next. So here this is a destination folder for a FreeCAD software. If you want to change folder you can browse here. So now I am not browsing here. I'm just like default destination. I'm just keeping the default destination folder and then clicking on next. So here if you, we need to create a desktop icon, so we are not disabling it. So it's by default it's enabled. So click on next. So then install. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to install. After installing, you can click finish. Later, go to your desktop. You can see here there is a FreeCAD desktop icon here. Double click on this. You can able to open this interface, FreeCAD interface. So here, this is the interface. And in the next video, we are going to check how to create a parts using FreeCAD. And this is a open source software.